Palkore is located about 40 kilometers away on the Tamale road. Most of the women here depend on the forest for their fuel. Some even log for sale. Farming is the main occupation in this community. The farmers here start their season around April and May, but this year they are tired of waiting for the rains. This is why the community unanimously decided to perform a ritual to ask their gods for rain. They converged in this grove, which is the sacred place for the community, keeping their gods. No one is allowed to cut a tree in this grove, and even when a tree falls by accident, it will decay and nobody will take it. Mahmoud Al-Hassan is the secretary to the chief of the community. He explains that
so if you do that and cut tree here, we cannot get rain the right time. So other when our quest will be taking farm produce, we will not get. So that's why, because we are all big farmers, you know that when we do this, by all means it will affect all the community. So that's why we don't joke with these things.
it was a finger-licking moment for those who turned out. They roasted and ate all the meat here before going back to their homes. According to the linguist, such meat is forbidden to send home.
Unless we chop all, so we won't allow. Everybody knows about it, so everybody is aware about that.
Climate change vulnerabilities are high at communities where there are strong traditional beliefs. Joseph Amikuzuno is a climate change expert at the University for Development Studies. He says the practice is an ancient one.
With northern Ghana in particular, we are in an area called the Summit Arid Zone. And even in those days, there used to be drought in the middle of the rainy season, somewhere between June and July, after they have planted. Those droughts were so severe that farmers actually needed to do something. And in their desperation in those days, they consulted the gods to bring rain.
Emission of greenhouse effects have increased as a result of bush burning and rampant cutting of trees.
We are now standing hide. We can't do anything. So it means that the climate change is very bad.
Millions of people in Africa depend on the forest for their fuel and other resources, and experts say this leads to a large-scale environmental and climate challenges.
So these thinking of theirs that the gods are angry and for that matter not giving that particular community rain cannot be true. I'm sure it is just that cloud formation has not allowed the rain to reach this particular community and has nothing to do with gods being angry.
Back to Palkore, the natives are hopeful that once the gods have been appeased, there is hope for rains.
Today, in the olden days, when we do that, when we do the sacrifice, roughly in the evening you see the rain to come. So we are expecting the rain today.